All right, y'all, we're gonna make some Wam Bam Casserole. We're gonna start with 1 pound of ground beef that I already browned and drained. Put it all in this mixing bowl here. Really good. It's gonna wham bam you right in the mouth. Okay, so next we're gonna take about 30 ounces of crushed tomato.
Dang.
So that's one of these and about half of another one.
Well, it's 28 ounces in that one can.
Yeah, so it's a little over half of this one.
How many ounces you need?
I can't remember. Anyway, it's like 1.5 cans of these.
45 ounces of tomato.
Yeah, there you go. And then we're going to throw in some seasonings. I already seasoned the meat a little bit, and then we're going to throw in some more. So we're going to put in some garlic salt. I love me some garlic salt.
Me
so
too.
I need flavor, you know. And some Italian seasoning. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're going to stir all that together. Make sure it gets nice and mixed. Like I said, I season the meat, and then I'm also seasoning the sauce a little extra.
So you're kind of just making a meat sauce.
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm making a meat sauce. Okay, all right. Now that the meat sauce is ready, we're gonna take our cheese ravioli. We got frozen cheese ravioli. We're gonna put, this is a 24-ounce bag. We're gonna put about half these raviolis over the bottom of this greased 9x13. So just make sure you get it spread out on there. Doesn't have to be like perfect, but mainly, cover the bottom. You get it, you get it, you get it. Okay, then we're gonna take half of this meat sauce mixture that we made and just pour it over the top. This is a layered casserole, so that's why we're using only half of it. That's about half. Just kind of eyeballing it here.
That looks good.
Just spread it over the top. There we go. Got half the mixture on there. Next, we're going to take some mozzarella cheese. I've been trying to not do the bag stuff as much, so I'm going to...
Off the block.
Yeah, we're going to put about half of this block and shred it onto the casserole here. Ain't it pretty?
That's a great technique. I've never seen this technique before.
Yeah, man. It works real good.
Looking nice.
All right, so I think we're good on that layer. So then we're gonna take the rest of the ravioli and put it over the top. That is not enough. Okay, we'll just work with it. Man, there was not enough ravioli, so I'm just gonna have to take some from the bottom and just put it on top. There we go.
Would you look at that? They kind of look like UFOs.
They do. So then our second layer, because there wasn't enough ravioli, is going to look like this, but it's still going to taste great.
That looks fun.
Then we're going to put the rest of the mixture,
The meat sauce.
the meat sauce, over the top here. I want to make sure it's scraped thoroughly. What's my scrape score, y'all? Is that... I don't see any meat pieces in there.
Oh, I think it's a good scrape score.
Y'all let me know in the comments.
We can ask Kim and what she thinks as well.
Oh, yeah.
I just heard a grunt over there. She must be eating some trail mix.
I am.
You know her too well. All right, so we got the meat mixture on there, and we're going to put some more of the mozzarella cheese over the top. Careful not to grate your skin off your hand while you're doing.
I mean, it'd add a little flavor, I guess.
Okay, so that's enough
That
cheese
looks
on
good,
top.
yeah.
And then we're gonna add actually some shredded Parmesan on top.
Oh my gosh, cheese on cheese on cheese on cheese on cheese.
Yeah, man. This is an Italian casserole. So. Who's the guy that says "Bam"? I was trying to remember.
Bam.
Do you remember him?
Bam Bam.
No, the he's a cooking personality. He always went bam.
No, I don't have a clue.
No, okay. I'm gonna remember. Okay, so next we're gonna throw this in the oven. Before we do, put some foil over it. We're gonna put it in there with foil for about 30 minutes, and then take the foil off for the last 10 to 15 minutes. So all in all, it's about 45 minutes that you're gonna throw it in there. And we'll come back and try it. All right, let's give it a look.
Look at that.
Ooh.
That's cheesy and bubbly.
Yeah, some bubbly goodness right there.
Mm-hmm.
And I can tell the difference between the bag cheese and the real cheese you got going on right there. I'll come back and give it a try. All right, let's give it a try.
Look at that. It does look just like lasagna.
That's so good.
Mmm.
Yeah, it's more of a lasagna than a casserole. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that looks good.
It does look good. It smells good too.
Alrighty, moment of truth. Mmm. Mmm.
So good.
That really is a good one. That's a winner here, folks.
That's a winner, folks.
Wham Bam lasagna.